Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Ruffa and I love making random DIY video tutorials, especially making my own clothes, accessories, and things that I love to do, express, and share with you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed every single video that I uploaded and will upload to my channel. Anyways, for today's video, I made this lovely halter cami top from an embroidered blazer, and of course, I will teach you guys the step-by-step process on how to make it. This is super easy and for sure you can finish this one within a day or probably half a day if you won't take a rest from sewing. And guys, you don't need an embroidered blazer to do this one. You can use any old button-down shirt that you already have from your closet. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this transformation, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, to start with the first process, I'm gonna close this side by pinning it because I'm gonna fold it into half to do the shaping. For the measurements, you can measure your ideal length for your neckline, armhole, the length and the width of your bodies, or if you already have a halter top that fits you well, you can use it as your pattern. So after folding guys, just mark your own preferred measurements and be sure to add a seam allowance. In my case, I added half centimeter from my measurements. As you can see guys, I didn't mark some adjustment on the side seam since the blazer kinda fits me well, so I just leave it as it is as of the moment. But in case you're using a large button-down shirt, of course you need to measure the width of your bodies and mark the measurement on the fabric. Next, I'm gonna cut out the top following all the markings. After you cut it out guys, make sure to fit it so that you can do some adjustment if it's needed. So here, I wasn't able to film the trimming part of my side seams because my cam ran out of battery. So anyway, I trimmed the upper side seam since the armhole was kind of big and loose for me. So my advice for you guys, always fit your project before you proceed to the next process to avoid redoing it. The next process that I'm gonna show you guys is optional. Since this blazer has holes which is see-through, I just decided to put interfacing because I want to wear it comfortably. So you don't need to follow this process, especially if the clothes you're using doesn't need interfacing. You can just go ahead, double fold all the edges to have a clean finished seams. I'm using a cotton fabric for my interfacing. Now to shape it, I followed all the pattern from the top and sew it up all together to have an exact piece. To play with me. Ayan, come here. This is our sitcom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go na. Go na. Go. Ayan. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna work. No. Let's go. Let's go now. Once my interfacing was done, I flat laid both pieces together facing its right sides. Then afterwards, I sew up all the seams except the bottom part because I need to work on for the straps after this. I reconstructed this part again since I want the inner folding to be visible because it kinda adds design on it. So I trimmed the excess fabric on my interfacing from this part and sew it again. Let's work for the strap, guys. So I will cut 4 cm by 46 cm from the sleeves, then fold it into half facing the right sides together. Afterwards, pull the inside out. Also, we will make sure to fold and hem the ends to get rid of the raw edges. Okay guys, it's time to assemble the strap. So I seam ripped 4 small portion on these following sides, then I go ahead inserting the straps, then pin and hem. Next, we will hem the bottom seam, and I will leave 4 inches open because after hemming, I will turn the top inside out passing through this unhemmed seam. Guys, we're almost done. Make sure to press the seams using an iron for a nice look. Then go ahead hem all the side seams one more time. So we are now on the final step. I will close the back part by hemming it, but I will leave 4 centimeters open from the upper part of the neckline, and I will just put a hook and eye to close this part. Now let's take a look from the before and after result. Alright, so that's for today's tutorial, guys. I promise you that this halter cami top is simple to make, especially if you don't need to put interfacing. Well, I'm really in love with the outcome. It looks decent and lovely as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you do so by giving it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to see more videos like this. And of course, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!